Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Tax Money. In this video, we're going to discuss the new Form 26A and the e-campaign started by the Income Tax Department for voluntary compliance by the assessees in respect of high value transactions or other informations which is available with the department, and the same is either not reflected by the assessees in their income tax return or they have not filed their income tax returns. So let's start with the topic. In the recent past, the Income Tax Department has made various efforts to take everything to the online, from statements to applications for non-deduction of TDS, for filing application under ATG 12AA for registration of trust, and also the income tax proceedings, which was considered to be impossible in the past. So even the income tax proceedings are now compulsory to be completed online. Earlier, the parameters for selecting a case in income tax proceedings by the department was based on the various information received by the department from various sources, like high value transactions received from specified financial transaction statements which are filed by various filers like NBFCs, banks, post offices, mutual funds, registrar for sale purchase of immovable property, various other registered persons which are required to file that information. Further, the department also collects the information from customs department, GST department, SEBI, from stock exchanges like sale purchase of commodities, securities, mutual funds, etc. Further, they also conduct surveys and search on various assessee on the basis of information available with them, and in that also it collects various information in respect of various assessee. So all these databases and information is available with the department on the basis of pen of every assessee. So these informations were used to select the cases of the assessees for income tax proceeding. Now the department has come with two initiatives. One, a new Form 26A in which the information regarding high value transactions undertaken by the assessees will be included, and the second is voluntary compliance by the income tax assessees for financial year 18-19 in respect of which information is available with the department and the assessee has either not filed their income tax returns, or the information which is available with the department is not filed by the assessees in their respective income tax returns. So both the initiatives are aimed at voluntary compliance by the assessees, transparency in the working of income tax department, taking everything to the online, and thus reducing the human interface with the department and the assessees. So till now, the information regarding high value transaction and other sources is being provided by the income tax officer during the course of assessment proceedings. Now that information will be available in your Form 26A. So you can easily file your income tax return by having a look at the information available in Form 26A. So first we will discuss what information is now included in Form 26A. Earlier Form 26A displays the information regarding TDS, TCS deducted by various and collected by various parties, income tax refunds, information related to TDS defaults, information related to sale or purchase of immovable property on which TDS is deducted. So till now this information is being displayed by the Form 26. Now onwards, the 26A, there will be a new part in Form 26A, Part E, which will contain the information of high value transactions undertaken by an assessee during a financial year. So what are the information which will be contained in this part? So the new information will be withdrawal or deposit of cash in a one or more current account during a financial aggregating to rupees 50 lakh rupees or more, cash deposit in one or more saving account aggregating to rupees 10 lakh or more during a financial year, one or more term deposit excluding renewal in a financial year aggregating to rupees 10 lakh rupees or more, payment of one or more credit card bills in cash aggregating to rupees 1 lakh rupees or more in a financial year, or rupees 10 lakh or more in a financial year by any other mode, purchase of prepaid instruments in cash including bank drafts aggregating to rupees 10 lakh or more during a financial year, issue of shares or buyback of shares aggregating to rupees 10 lakh rupees or more in a financial year, amount paid for purchase of mutual funds aggregating rupees 10 lakh rupees or more in a financial year, sale or purchase of foreign currency or issue of travel checks or any other instrument aggregating to rupees 10 lakh or more in a financial year, purchase or sale of one or more immovable property, stamp duty value of which aggregating to rupees 30 lakh rupees or more in a financial year, sale or purchase of goods or services from any person in cash for rupees 2 lakh rupees or more. So now this information will be available with the assessee in form 26S, and this can be verified from the income tax particulars which are to be used for filing the income tax returns. The second initiative by the income tax department is regarding voluntary compliance by the assessees, and in this campaign the department is going to send email and SMSs regarding the mismatch of information available with the department and the income tax returns filed by the assessees, or if no income tax return is filed by the assessee, then the information which is available with the department will be reported to the assessees. So then the assessees are required to go into the compliance portal of their income tax filing and look for the information which is available there. So what will be the information in respect of which the department is going to send email and SMSs? These information pertains to TDS and TCS, foreign remittances, turnover reported in GST and reported by the assessees in their income tax returns, information regarding sale, purchase of securities, shares and mutual funds. So all these informations will be compared with the returns of the income tax assessees, and if the same is not declared by the assessee in their income tax return, or if any information is available in the department and the return is not filed by the assessee, then they will get the SMS or emails. And what the assessee is required to do? The assessee is required to log in into their compliance portal and see the information available there, and the assessee will have the following options: either the information is fully correct, information is fully not correct, the information is duplicate or included in any other information, the information pertaining to any other assessee or any other pen, and the last one will be information denied. So all these options are available and the assessee has to select the appropriate option. So now what will be the benefit of this campaign? Now the assessees has the opportunity to either correct their income tax return, which they can revise before 31st July 2020, or they can also, if there is any information available in the compliance portal and they have not filed their income tax return, they can file their income tax return declaring that information. This will save the cost for both assessees and income tax departments, as if the information is revised in the income tax return or fresh return is filed containing that information or containing the information that is related to the information, then their case will not be selected and they will be saved from lot of mental harassment, and also their cost will be saved. So this is a very good initiative by the income tax department to encourage the voluntary compliance by the income tax assessees. In my opinion, every assessee should look into their compliance portal and see what information is available there, and if they have not declared any information, they should revise their income tax return and pay the due taxes. So I hope I have covered all the issues in this topic, and if you have any doubts or query regarding this topic or any other topic, you can comment me in the comment box, or you can also contact me. So I hope you like my video. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.